Hey YouTube, how's it going? Back with another unboxing here. You know how much I like the Anker stuff. Again, bought this one with my own money, not sponsored by Anker, but hey, I'm available. But this is their USB dual charger. It's a 2-pack. It's a 12-watt adapter. Show you what you get here. We got some instructions. Set that aside. It's a 2-pack wall charger. Pretty simple, pretty compact too for US. It's got 2 USB ports, 12 watts, should be able to charge up. Now, I got a very specific use case for this. I plan to charge my action camera. I got the Akaso EK7000. I plan on plugging 2 battery chargers into one of these. Just takes up one outlet. Comes in white or black. I got the white because I tend to lose stuff around the shop. If it falls behind a shelf somewhere, the white's easier to pick up in the light. So I'll follow up and let you know how these things work. But so far, pretty impressed. Really good build quality. They're heavier than I thought they'd be. Yeah, pretty impressed. That's the Anker USB dual watt, 12 watt charger. Anyway, thanks for watching.